Yo, what's up everybody? It's your man MKBHD here, and today we're diving into the world of Chrome OS. Specifically, we're talking about breathing new life into those old PCs gathering dust in your closet. Google's got two options for you: Chrome OS, the full package designed for Chromebooks, and Chrome OS Flex, a lighter version you can install on almost anything. Both promise a snappy, secure, and simple computing experience even on low-powered hardware. But which one is right for you? Let's break it down. First up, performance. Chrome OS, being built from the ground up for specific hardware, generally runs smoother and faster, especially on lower-end devices. Think of it like this: Chrome OS is like a perfectly tailored suit, while Flex is more like a one-size-fits-all outfit. Chrome OS Flex, on the other hand, has to adapt to whatever hardware it's thrown at. It might not be as optimized, but it's surprisingly capable. You'll notice the difference most when multitasking or running demanding applications. For basic browsing, email, and light work, both operating systems will feel pretty zippy on an old PC. Now let's talk gaming. Traditionally, Chromebooks and gaming haven't really gone hand in hand. Chrome OS isn't designed for high-end gaming, and neither is Chrome OS Flex. You can definitely find some fun browser-based games or play games through cloud gaming services like GeForce Now or Stadia. However, don't expect to be running the latest AAA titles natively on either operating system. If gaming is your priority, you're better off sticking with a Windows PC or a gaming console. Section 4. Features face-off. Chrome OS and Flex. Feature-wise, Chrome OS and Flex are pretty similar. You get the same clean and simple interface, built-in Google services, and access to the Chrome Web Store. However, there are a few key differences. Chrome OS has access to features like the Google Play Store and Android apps, which Flex doesn't. This means you can run a wider range of applications on Chrome OS. Flex, on the other hand, has the advantage of being installable on a wider range of hardware. It's a great way to give that old Windows laptop or MacBook a new lease on life. Section 5. So, which one wins for you? So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for the smoothest and most feature-rich experience, and you have a compatible Chromebook, go with Chrome OS. If you want to revive an old PC and don't need the bells and whistles of Android apps, Chrome OS Flex is the way to go. Both are great options for basic computing tasks, but neither is a gaming powerhouse. Hope this helps you make the right choice. Peace out.